Costco. 13 things employees know. If you shop at Costco, the people stocking those shelves know a dozen things that quietly cost you money on every trip. Here is one before you even finish this sentence. A price tag ending in 97 cents is not a random number. It means that item has been marked down by the warehouse manager. It is on clearance, and it is the cheapest that product will ever be sold for in that building. 99 cents is full price. 97 is the deal. And if you ever spot a tiny asterisk in the top right corner of the tag, that item is gone for good the moment the shelf empties, because Costco is not reordering it. Employees call it the Death Star. Buy it now or never. That is two secrets hiding in plain sight on every tag in the store, and most members walk right past them. Over the next few minutes, we are counting down 13 real Costco policies the staff wish you knew, from the pharmacy you can use without any membership at all, to the 2 money-back moves at number 1 that can hand a regular family well over $100 a year. Every single one is real, and you can check it yourself. Number 13 is printed on the very tag in your hand. Quick setup, because it frames everything that follows. Costco makes its money on membership fees, not on marking products up, so the store is genuinely built to save you money if you know the rules. The problem is that the best rules are never posted on a sign. The employees know them because they live them every day. So today we are handing you 13 of them in plain English, and every single one is a real policy you can verify yourself at the member desk or on Costco's own website. We have grouped them into 5 quick sections. First, reading the price tags, where the store tells you exactly what is on clearance if you know the code. Then the departments you can walk into with no membership at all. Then 3 warehouse truths about the gas, the batteries, and that famous hot dog. Then the smart way to order for a party, and the 1 card rule that can get you turned away at the register. And finally, the 2 money-back moves at number 1 that most members never use, worth real cash every year. Let us start with the tags. Number 13, the 97 ending. On most Costco tags, the price ends in 99 cents, and that is the standard, full price, no rush. But when you see a price ending in 97, that item has been marked down by the warehouse manager. It is store-level clearance, and clearance at Costco does not climb back up. That is the lowest that product will ever be sold for in that building. Employees scan for 97 endings the same way you would scan for a sales sign, because that is exactly what it is, just hidden in the decimals. Number 12, the asterisk. Look at the top right corner of the tag. If there is a small star or asterisk printed there, Costco is not reordering that item. It is being discontinued, or it was a one-time buy, and when the shelf is empty, it is gone. Staff nicknamed it the Death Star for a reason. If it is something you love, and especially if it also ends in 97, you buy it now, because there is no next time. Number 11, the deeper codes. A price ending in 00 or in 88 cents usually means a manager has marked an item down even further, often a display unit or the very last of the stock, price to move today. And endings like 49 or 79 can flag a special manufacturer deal rather than a normal buy. You do not need to memorize all of them. Just remember this: 99 is full price, and almost anything else is the store quietly trying to tell you something. Number 10, the pharmacy. This one surprises almost everyone. You do not need a Costco membership to use the Costco pharmacy. Federal law, and the law in many states, requires warehouse club pharmacies to serve the general public because a prescription is a licensed health service, not a club perk. Just tell the greeter at the door you are heading to the pharmacy, and they will wave you in. Costco's cash prices on many generic drugs are among the lowest in the country, and you can pay them without ever buying a membership. Number 9, optical and hearing. The same logic reaches 2 more counters. At most warehouses, you can book an eye exam with the licensed optometrist or a hearing test at the hearing aid center without being a member, because those are licensed services too. The catch is fair. The exam is open to everyone, but actually buying the glasses or the hearing aids from Costco does require a membership. Still, if you just need the exam and the prescription, you can walk in. Number 8. The alcohol aisle. In several states, liquor laws flatly bar any store from requiring a membership to sell alcohol. So in those states, you can walk into Costco, buy beer, wine, or spirits at member pricing, and walk right out. No card needed. It varies by state, so ask at your local warehouse. But where it applies, Costco wine at Costco prices is open to everyone. 3 full departments, no membership required, and almost nobody at the register will mention it. Number 7. The gas is better than it looks. Costco fuel is often the cheapest in town, and people assume cheap must mean low quality. The opposite is true. Kirkland Signature gasoline is top-tier certified, which is the higher engine cleanliness standard that the major automakers themselves created, and Costco says it contains about 5 times the detergent the government requires. So you are paying less per gallon for fuel that meets the exact standard the car makers ask for. If there is a Costco station on your route, filling up there is one of the easiest wins in this whole list. Number 6. The Kirkland batteries. Here is a verified one, and I want to be careful with it. Costco's own chief executive confirmed, back in 2016, that Kirkland Signature batteries were made by Duracell. That one is on the record, straight from the top. Now, you will hear 100 other claims online that this Kirkland product is really that famous brand. Treat those as rumor unless Costco itself says so, because most were never confirmed and suppliers do change over time. But the battery link is real, and Kirkland batteries have long tested right alongside the name brand for a fraction of the price. Number 5. The food court. 2 things the staff want you to know here. Since 2020, the food court is members only, so you do need a card to buy that meal. But the reward is that famous hot dog and soda combo, still $1.50, a price Costco has held since 1985 and has publicly promised to keep. It is sold at a loss on purpose, just to get you in the door. Take the deal. Number 4. Order the big stuff ahead. Costco's bakery sheet cakes are one of the best party deals in America. A half-sheet cake feeds around 48 people and runs about $25, a fraction of what a bakery charges per slice. But here is the part people miss and then regret. Custom cakes, with a name or a message on them, have to be ordered at least 48 hours in advance. Same idea for the large party platters from the deli. Walk in the morning of the party, and you are out of luck. Plan 2 days ahead, and you feed a crowd for the price of a couple of grocery store cakes. Number 3. Your card is not a family card. Costco membership is non-transferable. It always has been, but since June of 2023, they actually enforce it. At the self-checkout, staff now ask to see the photo on your membership card, and if your card has no photo, they will ask for a separate photo ID. If the name does not match the person shopping, you can be turned away right there at the register. Now, your household does get 1 free second card for someone at your address, so use that the right way. But handing your card to a friend across town is the fast way to a very awkward moment at checkout. Number 2. The real return policy. Costco's guarantee is famous for a reason. On most items, there is no time limit at all. If you are not satisfied, you bring it back, and you do not even need the receipt, because they can look up your purchase by your membership number. But the employees want you to know the one big exception, so you are never caught out. Electronics are on a firm 90-day clock. Televisions, computers, tablets, cell phones, cameras, drones, smartwatches, and major appliances all have to come back within 90 days of the day you receive them. Everything else is still wide open, with only a few sensible exceptions, like cigarettes and alcohol where the law forbids returns. Know the 90-day window, and the rest of that counter is on your side. And number one, the big one, is really two money-back moves the staff say members forget the most. First, the 30-day price adjustment. If something you bought drops in price within 30 days, Costco will refund you the difference. You do not need to have kept the box or even the receipt. Just bring the item number to the member desk and they credit you back. Second, the executive membership math. It costs $65 more than the basic card, and it pays you 2% back on what you buy, up to $1,250 a year. Spend about $3,250 a year, which is roughly $270 a month, and it fully pays for itself. Spend more than that, and Costco simply mails you a check for the rest. For a regular Costco family, number one is real money every single year. Here is the whole list in one pass. On the tags, 99 is full price, 97 is manager clearance, an asterisk means it is gone for good, and 00 or 88 means marked down even further. No membership needed for the pharmacy, for an eye exam or a hearing test, or, in many states, to buy alcohol. The gas is top tier with 5 times the required detergent, so cheap does not mean bad. Kirkland batteries were confirmed by Costco's chief executive as Duracell made, but treat the other supplier rumors as just that, rumors. The food court is members only now, but the $1.50 hot dog has not moved since 1985. Order sheet cakes and party platters 48 hours ahead. And remember, the card is non-transferable, with a photo check at self-checkout since 2023. And the two you should actually use this month. Ask for a price adjustment if something you bought drops within 30 days, and run the executive math, because past about $3,000 a year, that 2% pays for itself and then pays you. That is 13 real policies, no fine print tricks, no made-up discounts. Every one you can verify at the member desk or on Costco's own site. The employees already know them. Now you do too. So there they are, 13 real Costco policies the people who work there wish every member knew. None of them are secrets the company hides, exactly. They just never make it onto a sign. If even one of these saves you money on your next trip, do the thing that helps this channel most and subscribe to Smart Shopping, because we do this every week, one store at a time, real policies only, no made-up discounts. Next up in the series, the 12 things worth buying at Costco if you live alone, so the bulk size never goes to waste. And here is your job in the comments. Which Costco tip did we miss? Drop the one you swear by, and tell us your store, so the next member reads it. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. See you at the warehouse.